I should probably do something about all this mess on my desk. Also, maybe even this cable management. Power cord for the PC, USB upstream for the PC, display port adapter, B-hub switch I have for that too, the Lenovo. Do I need this? The MacBook adapter, the MacBook charger, my wireless charger for the phone, Govee light strip, the keyboard for the cables, and then my gaming mouse, but I don't need that all the time, so I might not have that in there now. Wireless charger, MacBook, the desk, monitor, and the external PC. With that, I hope you guys enjoyed the desk cable setup. If you guys liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe for any upcoming content. I'll check you guys in the next one. Peace.